Tired of feeling like your life is a never-ending to-do list? Today, we're diving into how to use Asana to plan your life, not just your work, by transforming it into your personal command center for goal setting, habit tracking, and project management. First, create a new workspace specifically for your personal life. Think of this as your life's control panel. Click on your profile picture, and then select Add Workspace to keep things separate from your work projects. Next, let's map out your life goals. Create a new project in your personal workspace called My Goals. Within this project, use sections to categorize your goals. Health, career, relationships, and personal growth are a good starting point. Add tasks under each section that represent your specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART, goals. For example, under health, you might have run 3 times per week for 30 minutes. Now, for habit tracking, create another project called Habit Tracker. Use tasks to represent each habit you want to build, such as drink 8 glasses of water or read for 30 minutes to make tracking easier. Add custom fields. Click Customize, then Add Field, and choose number to track repetitions or date to record completion dates. Use the calendar view to visualize your progress and stay consistent. For personal project management, let's say you want to plan a vacation. Create a new project called Dream Vacation to Bali. Use sections to break down the project into manageable stages: research, budgeting, booking, and packing. Add tasks under each section, assigning due dates and setting reminders to stay on track. With Asana, you can conquer your personal chaos, gain control of your time, and achieve that elusive work-life balance you've been striving for. Start planning your life with Asana today.